Hello healthy fam, welcome to Live Healthy with Judith, and in today's video I am going to show you the step-by-step process of how I made this yummy popsicle, and it was so delicious and easy to do. So I want you to sit back, relax and enjoy this video. The first thing I did was I simply got some empty packs of drink, and the number I desired was just 3, and I went ahead to cut off the top of it so that I can get access to pour the puree easily. And I used this cutter. You can also use probably a knife or something that is easy for you to do to cut off the packs. And when I did that for all 3 of them, I rinsed and washed the packs, and then I added some chopped carrots into the blender with some bananas and a little quantity of water to allow all blend easily. And I proceeded to blending, and here is how it looked. So luscious and yummy. So guys, if this is the first time of you stopping by on this channel, I want to say welcome to you, because you are on the right channel. So please do not leave this channel until you have clicked that subscribe button to join this healthy family, and we will be glad to have you. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be the first to get all of our new uploads every time we make a new post. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for sticking with us. You all are the real MVPs and we love you. So I got my popsicle sticks and I made sure I placed them in the center of the packs so as to create a balance. Easy peasy, and that is how it goes. And then I proceeded to get in a cling film so that I can seal up this pack without it pouring off when I place them in the freezer. And I made a hole with my knife in the middle so that they can all seal properly. And I did that for the 3 packs and got them ready to place in the freezer. Guys, if you haven't clicked that like button till now, please hit that button and give us a thumbs up for this video. So after placing it for over 12 hours in the freezer, look how rocky it is looking. Then I went ahead to a very important step. I made sure I placed the packs in cool water before removing them. This will enable the popsicle come off the pack easily without breaking. And if you skip this, I really don't know how your popsicles are going to come out. So I removed the cling film from it, and it came off the pack so smooth and easily. Wow, it's looking so luscious and yummy. Guys, I bet you are going to love this, because this is super healthy and yummy. So please, if you enjoyed this recipe, let me know if you're going to try it in the comment section, and don't forget to share this video with someone else. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I wonder what you're waiting for. Hit that subscribe button and join this healthy family. Thank you all so much for watching. Until I see you again in my next video, do stay healthy and blessed. Bye.